Today, we're talking budget secrets on Carnival Panorama. If you want an ocean view but don't want the balcony price, you look for one thing, obstructed view. We're inside room 3241 on deck 3. Is this a cruising hack or a serious mistake? Stick around for the full tour. My name is Kylie and I'm a cruise enthusiast and a travel agent who pays for these trips myself, so you know this will be an honest review. Up first, the beds. As you can see, room 3241 is currently set up in a 2-twin configuration. The great news is these can easily be put together to make one large king bed. Now for an important note, there are no electrical outlets by the bed. So if you rely on a CPAP machine or want to charge your phone bedside, you'll need a long extension cord or you'll be using the main vanity area outlets. Let's talk view. Your window is on deck 3, the Riviera deck. And yes, your view is partially blocked because the lifeboat sits on the top half of the window, but you still have a good view of the ocean and the water below, and definitely a great amount of light comes in. You are not in a dungeon in this room. Let's talk details of the bed and surrounding area. You can easily store all of your large luggage pieces right under the bed to keep your room clutter-free. For convenience, you get a light switch above the headboard to control the cabin lights plus 2 handy reading lamps on the nightstands. Pro tip, if the mattress feels too firm or a little saggy, ask your room steward for a mattress topper. It can sometimes make it feel like you're staying in a 4-star hotel. Next, we have our primary seating area. Above the couch is a dedicated reading light, which is a nice touch. And anchoring the entire seating area is this large coffee table. A large flat screen TV is mounted at the foot of the bed for optimal viewing comfort. The adjacent connecting door links the space to the neighboring stateroom, making 3241 an ideal choice for larger families or groups traveling together. Now, for your storage and prep area, the vanity. This spot is very well set up. You get 3 vertical shelves for toiletries, a bright backlit mirror, a large countertop for all your gadgets and makeup, a small cooler below for drinks, and a hairdryer is tucked away in the drawer. This is where you'll find your main outlets for charging. You have 2 USB outlets for your small devices, 2 US receptacles, and a single European outlet. I'll leave a link in the description to the specific European adapter I recommend getting for hassle-free charging. Next is the massive closet space for a room this size. We get 4 separate closet bays. The center bay gives you drawers, shelving, short hanging space, and the cabin safe. Flanking that, you have 2 long hanging bays, complete with full-length mirror on one of the doors. Plenty of room for 2 weeks of cruising outfits. Upon entering the bathroom, you will find convenient door hooks for immediate storage. The bathroom features a standard corner shower equipped with the dreaded shower curtain. Inside, guests are provided with Carnival's signature shower gel and shampoo dispensers. A highlight is the adjustable shower head, which can be used as a handheld wand, a significant advantage for taller guests. The back wall is efficiently utilized with a grab bar, towel racks, and a magnifying mirror. The vanity area is designed for practicality, boasting a large mirror flanked by 6 shelves for toiletries. The sink offers ample counter space for personal items, along with additional storage shelves underneath. My honest review of room 3241, this is a fantastic value pick. The partial obstruction is better than most, and since obstructed ocean view cabins are often hundreds cheaper, if not thousands, it's a great way to keep your fare low while still getting a water view. If you plan to spend your time enjoying the ship and just using the cabin for sleeping, book it. I didn't stay in room 3241, but I was just down the hall. A few things to note, the connecting rooms are not well insulated. You can easily hear your next door neighbor talking. However, with the couch situated before the bed, the room felt very spacious. It's centrally located with its own private corridor next to the atrium bar, main dining room, and front elevators. I would definitely stay here again. Before you go, if this video helped you out, could you tap that like button? It really helps more cruisers find the channel, and it really means a lot to me. And if you haven't yet, come join the Simply Cruising crew. There are plenty more videos coming to help you plan the cruise you truly deserve. If you're ready to book your next adventure, or you already booked in the last 90 days and want to transfer your reservation, I'd love to be your travel partner. I work to get my clients those little extras, onboard credits, perks, and that special touch that turns a good vacation into a great one. There's no extra cost to you, just personalized service from someone who genuinely loves cruising and helping you make the most of it. You'll find the link to book with me or transfer your reservation right there in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next horizon.